Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to this lecture series. And today our topic is means of transport for class 3rd and subject is SST. Before we start the lesson, children, can you answer the following questions? How do you go to school every day? How do you go to school every day? By bus or by walk, isn't it? Either you go school by school bus or by walk. Then question number 2. If you have to go to another city to meet your friend, how will you go? Come on, answer this question. If you have to go to another city to meet your friend, how will you go? Yes, you can go by car or by bus. And the last question is, if you have to go to another country to meet your cousin, how will you go? Yes, by aeroplane or by ship. So let's learn more clearly about transportation today. We need to travel from one place to another all the time. We can walk to places which are very close. But to go to far off places or the places which are far, we have to use a bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, car, bus, train, ship or aeroplane. These are the means of transport which we can use to go to far off places. Means of transport can carry both people and goods from one place to another. Means of transport can carry both people and goods from one place to another. And the kind of transport we choose depend on the distance to be traveled, the money we can spend and the time available. Did you know? The first motor car was built by Nicholas Joseph Cano in 1769. It had 3 wheels and went only 6 kilometers in an hour. There are 3 types of transport: land, water or sea and air. These are the 3 types of transport which we have. Let's learn about them one by one. Land transport. Some means of transport run only on land. Example: trains, buses, cars, trucks, scooters, bicycles, strongas, bullocks, camel carts, they all are means of land transport. They all are means of land transport. Trains, buses, cars, tractors, trucks, scooters, tongas, bicycles, bullocks, camel carts. These are all land transport. Land transport is the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. Did you know that India has one of the largest railway networks in the world? These are some important information which you should know. India has one of the largest railway networks in the world, and China's CRH-380 bullet train is one of the fastest trains of the world. It's 3 times faster than the Bhopal Shatabdi, India's fastest train. India's fastest train is Bhopal Shatabdi, but China's CRH-380 is 3 times faster than Bhopal Shatabdi. Then we have air transport. Some means of transport move only in the air. As you all might have seen, aeroplanes and helicopters. They are the means of air transport. Aeroplanes take off from airports, but air travel is very expensive, but it's very fast also. Our country has a large network of airways, and most big cities in India have airports. Then we have water transport. Some means of transport move only on water. Ship, boat, and steamer are examples of water transport. These are the means of water transport or examples of water transport: ship, boat, and steamer. And water transport is slow as compared to land and air. Ships are used to transport huge quantities of goods from one place to another. Did you know the catamaran is a boat made of two logs tied together? And the Parv people, a fishing community from Tamil Nadu, are credited with its invention. It's the catamaran boat which is made by the Parv people, which is a fishing community in Tamil Nadu. Then there are different animals which are used for transport. For thousands of years, humans have used animals as means of transport. When there was no buses, cars, scooters, etc., people use animals for transportation. In deserts, camels are used to carry people and pull carts. And we all know that camel is known as the ship of desert. It's used to carry people and pull carts. In hilly areas, ponies and mules are used to carry goods and people. In hilly areas, ponies and mules are used to carry goods and people. And in forests, elephants are used to move logs, and people elephants are used to move logs and people in thick forests. And when we look at our country, we'll see that in our village, bullock carts, bicycles and tractors are some of the common means of transportation. Bullock carts, bicycles and tractors are some of the common means of transport. And in our towns and cities, we can see tongas, bicycles, buses, cars, rickshaws, scooters and trucks. Faster means of transport have brought us closer to our near and dear ones. So, let's take a look what we studied today. Means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Trains, buses, trucks, cars, scooters and bullock carts are means of land transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Ships, boats and steamers are means of water transport. Yes. And in India, we have large network of roadways, railways and airways. Animals are used as means of transport in hills, deserts and forests. So this was all for today. See you in the next lecture. Till then, take good care of yourselves and stay home, stay safe.